United States. That's our president. When Nigeria speaks, when we sneeze, others will catch on.
Yeah.
That's our president, whether they like it or not. Tell the world that that's our president.
Yeah.
Not an Igbo president, but the Nigerian president.
Nigerian presidents, they are making mistakes.
The emancipation of truth.
They are making mistakes.
Of truth.
Yeah.
Above every false.
It's not. I love that statement. I love that statement.
Nonsense.
Not an Igbo president, but a Nigerian president.
President.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The world will hear our voice.
So you heard you heard him, an elder. Those who are saying that he's an Igbo president are making a great mistake. It's propaganda. He is the Nigerian president. Yeah, incoming.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Gentle Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together, no matter the road. Oh, just rise, hear the voices roar, unity and diversity, together we soar.